Hi, it's Brian from Four Seasons RV here in Regina, and I'm standing out in front of the 2026 Alliance RV Avenue. This is the 35 RKS. If you are a chef, you want to see inside this RV. Love what Alliance RV does, and also more specifically on the Avenue, is slide controls, awning controls, all on the outside. All accessible, can always see where you're headed. Second awning on the outside of the slide out really extends your campsite. Love the new extendable grab handle, nice and steady. Solid steps, 4 of them. You can see just how high off the ground this is, but it's a sturdy fifth wheel. As I mentioned, if you like to cook, this is an absolutely gorgeous kitchen. Massive amount of countertop, excellent drawer space, soft close all the way around this pantry. I don't even have this much pantry space at home. Have a beautiful side-by-side 16 cubic foot fridge freezer. The residential Furion kitchen, kind of top to bottom in here. Of course, the Avenue is 101 inches wide. You can sure see that in this space. Massive amount of windows all the way around. 80-inch slide boxes really kind of extend the height, the feel inside the Avenue. They do the small things really, really well. Of course, the electric fireplace, accent lighting throughout, 65-inch television, storage in behind there as well. Love the flexibility. Of course, dimmers on the LED lights. 3 air conditioners standard on Avenue. Beautiful big bathroom, porcelain foot flush toilet, massive shower. Solid surface counters now inside the bathroom as well. Love the little things, 4 drawers, spot underneath for your shoes. Extra kind of jewelry with the soft close, super nice touch in there. This of course is the King configuration. USB charging and lots of outlets on both sides. Great access to lots of power. And then of course this full 101 inch wide, the beautiful, it's to look like cedar, really nice touch, lit from the inside, and plumb for washer dryer. Would love to see you down here in person. Have a look at the Avenue. The 35 RKS is now in stock, 2026 model. If you can't make it down to see us anytime, www.fourseasonsales.com. And don't forget that every single brand new purchase of an RV here at Four Seasons gets you 3 years of emergency roadside service. Thanks for joining me and have an awesome day.